Hi! Today we will talk about second conditionals. If you can or need to, please watch our previous video on the zero and first conditionals. The link is in the description box below. A quick revision. Conditionals are sentences that usually begin with if. We use them to talk about different possibilities if something happens or happened. There are four main types of conditionals in English, as well as the mixed conditionals. These four types are the zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. The zero conditional is for something which is always true. The first conditional is for something which is either likely or possible. The second conditional is for something which is unlikely or impossible. Third conditional is for something which is for something impossible, because it's about the past. Can you see how conditionals go with this arrow? Zero, first, second, and third are all related to their level of probability, with zero being always true, all the way to third, which is totally impossible. Each conditional has two parts. These parts are called clauses. A clause is a part of a sentence. The two clauses in each conditional are the if clause and the main clause. We use the second conditional to talk about something which is very unlikely or impossible to happen. We often use it for things which are imaginary or hypothetical. The structure is if plus past tense plus would and verb. For example, if I met Brad Pitt, I would ask him questions. It is possible to meet Brad Pitt, but very unlikely. In the if clause, met is in the past simple tense, and in the main clause, there is would ask, that is would and verb. Now, an example of something which is not unlikely, but actually impossible. If I had wings like a bird, I would fly to Brazil. This is impossible and totally imaginary. Had wings is in the past simple tense, and would fly is would and verb. Some more examples. If I had $50 million, I would build a super big hospital to help people. If I could be an animal, I would like to be a cat. You can also swap these clauses. So, you can say, if I had $50 million, I would build a super big hospital to help people. Or, I would build a super big hospital to help people if I had $50 million. Or, if I could be an animal, I would like to be a cat. Or, I would like to be a cat if I could be an animal. We can also replace would with could, so we can say, if I had millions of dollars, I could buy many houses. Or, if I spoke English very well, I could get a good job. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section or on our website, www.englishmadesimple.org. In the next video, we will talk about the third conditional.
Hi guys! Thanks for watching English Made Simple. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and comment below and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, make sure to ask and we will try to answer. See you next time and have a great day.